Huh? What? Here we do copy link to post and we paste that here. Existing and new comments and likes. Okay. And extract and import. Select a user. I am the user. Add to a list. No. Create a new list. Call it. What is that guy's name spelling? Stijn. Stijn. List. Confirm. Confirm. What happens next? Boom shaka laga 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 boom 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 shaka. This doesn't feel illegal or what? You know what it's doing, right? What? What are you doing? Okay. Now in the next step. So now we have 624 contacts in the lead base. Oh man, this is one thing that I don't like. Things work slowly. Everywhere it's slow. This guy has not sent it. Will he? Question is. What's the issue in this? In the builder, these are the people. The last people are like what matters actually. So, what do we do about that? First few lists that are there, should we delete? Can I go to that as a maximum? Did you order something? Okay. Now in the builder, we'll see it's a 771 contacts, which is good enough. Now, what do we want to do? We want to visit the link, send LinkedIn connection, send LinkedIn message. Now, in that connection, are we adding something? Selector only available in user rejection. Okay. So, It's the issue. I don't know. They probably have some lock over there. But what do we write over here? First prompt. What do we want to do? Like when it comes to what's an ideal flow that will convert someone? Huh? What's the ideal flow that will convert someone? What is a prompt for that? I'm saying what is the flow that will convert someone? So here the current one was like this, but this is not good enough. Based on the following information from the LinkedIn profile, write a very short 10 to 12 word sentence starting with I notice that you guys offer. Replace value proposition with what you find on the profile while keeping a casual tone. You must not reuse the same exact word that you find on the profile. Instead, use them as if you were talking as an online person in a friendly, casual manner. You can use abbreviations. Huh? Yeah, it has to be better. We want conversions at this point. So, what will you expect if someone is coming and selling you something? Then, what will you be like expecting? That is fine, but how do we get it to like convert? Because it's a cold outreach, right? So, what is that thing called that we are selling there? Let's say, huh? How do I? How do I create a cold outreach campaign that converts using bro, why didn't he give this funnel yet, bro? That's my fucking question to you. I'll try with a different link, leave email. Why don't you try? Do you get? I'll send you this link. Just try. Do you get it? What the fuck? Yeah. Okay, this time it's coming. Is the mail not working? Using take it. And Facebook, and we are using reverse side to overconfident that what's going to happen. Countries like India, it's a little cheaper than compared to countries. Yeah, we got the funnel by the way. Okay, so these are the page funnels. Okay, cool. So it's very clear now. This has become very, very long. What I want instead is I want to take them through the AIDA model. Actually, the AIDAR model. So it goes with IA. चल, see you. आजा भाई. हाँ, बाय बोल के चले जाओ. चल. So it is AIDAR, where A is for awareness, I is for interest, D is for desire, A is for action, R is for retention and return. Okay. Now, in order to achieve this, what we want to do is very simply first funnel them into a very low ticket, low barrier to entry product. Now, that low ticket, low barrier to entry product is agentic studio or agentic hub, or yeah, it has to be one of these two. Why? Because either we take this approach or we have to take the approach of warp club, because we are going on LinkedIn. So if we are going on LinkedIn, then what we are selling to them? Yeah. So agentic hub and agentic studio is the place to be, right? Then, according to that concept. So the promotion is for these two things. In the hub, we basically provide all resources and everything, like how we are building and everything for free. And in the studio, we build it. That's how we can distribute the two. Now, the hub is the community aspect of things. Studio is the delivery aspect of things. So in the hub, they should get free access where they can learn about AI and all that. So AI scoop access they will get access to AI creators, AI editors, AI coding, etc. So all of these will be tied together. They will be getting access to it. So we can keep like an entry fee of either a waitlist which opens like once a month or twice a month, or we can keep it like lifetime access for some fee for 100 people. So we can try with some models and see what works. Okay. The idea is in this automation, we want to give them like, make them feel like, see, this is a special link we are giving to you for waitlist access. You will get instantly inside the community. Once they come, then we can upsell something else to them, like a course or something, whatever else is available, or like custom build or custom setup of WAP or something like that. Okay. Or organic content creation, etc. So all of these things open from there. So this particular chat automation AI that I'm feeding all of this data has one option to give the output, and it has one more option where I can feed a prompt that can be created in such a manner that the output is always customized for each user. I want that prompt first that will give me the customized output. That customized output should be very, very small and refined and very personalized and relatable and curiosity invoking, and follow this process. And it should lead to conversion where that person enters my funnel with the waitlist entry into my agentic hub. That is the name of the game. Can you help me now build all of this in the chat automation flow step by step, thinking like a human, taking a deep, long breath, exhaling all your worries and tensions and stress out, thinking about the divine almighty who gave you the power to be alive, to be present, and to be able to fulfill this purpose in order to help me fulfill my purpose and help the overall creation keep going forward in the direction of sustenance, maintenance, and everything that has to be. Let's go. Thanks. I'm super grateful. Let's do this. Phew, that was a prompt, bro. I've taken a deep breath, tapped into the source, used the AIDAR chatbot prompt. We're gonna master, feed this shit. Oh my Godzilla. Oh ho ho. My Godzilla. Godzilla, Zilla, Zilla. Oh my Godzilla. Look at that. And the best part, all of this gets recorded. We share it with the world. The world's like, what the fuck? Is this even a thing? Okay, now we gotta build this shit out. Okay, we gotta build this shit out. Now, how do we build this shit out? So, first one, prompt to generate outreach message. Let's say it is up until this point. Okay, you are this. We go back to prosp.io. We take this, we leave this as it is for now. Boom, boom, enter, paste. Then what we do is we remove this shit for now. We take the value proposition and we put it in, hook them in pattern interrupt using their, okay, original, original value proposition. Now What happens is this one we can remove completely because it's not required. Now we can preview. Let's see what happens. Victor Young. What is it saying to Victor Young? Let's see. I hope it says the right thing. Please, please, please work. Please work. Work. Please, please work. Broken, huh? Hey, Wake, I see your focus on growth for service based businesses. I'm part of a small crew building a private AI hub where we share insights, tools, and creative workflows. It's invite only and open just twice a month. Want me to send you a link for early access? Now? Yo, now? Cool. So when this happens, save and replace. If I do preview, what happens? Overall preview, final preview. Double trouble. So we need to remove this and just the prompt is enough. Now if we do preview, yeah, this is good enough, right? Cool. I'm gonna save it. Now, then, what if that could be sent in a voice note where in pitch my service, I will go back here and I will say, but this is, I'm attaching something for you, and this was my old one, and it's boring as hell. I want it to be a little punchy. Like, what I want to do is, I want to create a voice note that intrigues that particular lead and creates interest and desire to want to be part of the automation group because they're like, what the hell? How is automation doing this? So, in the voice note, I want to be able to call out some specific details about that particular profile and connect it back to the previous message that was there already. And as a result, be able to make this user feel like this is something even they would want to implement. And then maybe probably be even upsell it inside the community for around 495 $995, that range setup. LinkedIn automation Prosp. Okay. Okay, so it has to be super short and crisp. Also, I want the prompt to be fed that will generate custom scripts and speak on my behalf. Okay, so this is one crazy prompt that we're gonna get now. Oh my god, Zilla. Oh my god, Zilla. Oh my god, Zilla. It's gonna be fun, bro. You see what I'm doing here? What am I doing? You see what I'm doing here? What? Nimaji. So what I'm doing is save and replace, and let's preview for Victor. What happens? Can you hear it? No, you can't. One second. Stop sharing. Share again. Screen. And let's go to entire screen. Full. Boom. Boom. Shakalaka. Let's listen to this one.
Hey there. So check this out. That message I sent, it was actually generated by AI and it felt like it came straight from your world, right? I noticed you're really passionate about innovation in your role as a product manager. That vibe, spot on. We're building this kind of smart automation at Agentic Hub and access opens up soon. Curious to learn more? Let me know.
Yo, yo, yo. How was that, bro? Huh? Can't hear you now. Can't hear you, but okay. Let's try it for David Zerna. If it is custom or not. Should be custom, no? Otherwise, David Zerna is gonna feel bad. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Conversions on the way, nigga. Is this the right funnel?
Hey there. I just wanted to share something wild. Did you notice how that last message I sent felt super spot on? The AI crafted it using your awesome posts about project management. It totally nailed your vibe. We're building this kind of automation magic in Agentic Hub, and you just got a sneak peek. Want to join the waitlist?
What's up, nigga? Huh? How is it? Should I deploy? Deploy, deploy. Then, after waiting for one day, we should send them a link, okay? So, in this, we will send them the link to Agentic Warp Club. Okay, the waitlist, personal entry. How does this sound? I know you're very busy. Now, in this, what do we have? So, we have one more prompt. Let's go, nigga, let's go. I love this. How fun is this? Isn't it fun? It's unbelievable, right? It's unbelievable, right? This is the nail in the coffin. This is the final jab to hook. This is where it matters. And we make monies because this is the desire plus action combined stage, and once they enter into the funnel, we will talk about other forms of automations that can be implemented to retain the new members. But for now, let's rework this prompt first. Okay, we're gonna take this shit, we're gonna put it back, we're gonna put that here, but everything else has been covered. Hopefully. If it's not, we'll see. Save and replace. Preview. Victor, I know you're very busy helping folks crush their fitness goals and stay active, but he was a UI UX guy, right? So how did he become fitness goals? Huh? Wait. Based on the following information, I know you're probably super busy with what the person does in company name. Replace what the person does with short, casual, friendly phrase that reflects what they actually. Okay, so let's see Victor's profile. Is he working in fitness industry as a UI UX guy? Because if he is, then that kind of makes sense a little bit. Where is Victor now? How do we find Victor? Victor, bro, where are you? Victor Young, ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ಯಾ? Okay, people. After this, we can say no proudly that something we did no. What? Oh my god. I was saying after this, we can say something we did at least. You told of, can you come again? And take the mic and put it in my mouth or what? How to find Victor Young, brah? That's the question now. I have to find this guy. Where can I find him? For now, I'll just do save. I'll go to leads. Inside of leads, I should see Victor Young over here then. What the fuck? Yeah, Victor Young. Click on it. Opens. Victor Young. Let's go. Let's see what is Victor Young doing. If he's in the fitness world, trend marketing growth for this. Where is his fitness shit? Landing page fixes. I'll be sharing learnings, case studies, founder, multi-channel content. Okay, trimmed director, exercise physiologist, director accredited, exercise, exercise, present, exercise habits, trimmed marketing, exercise habits, trimmed mark. So that means he has two. This is his core. Then he started doing this because he was not making money here or some shit like that. So what it said over here was accurate then from that perspective because it said health related things. Correct. I know you're very busy. What it said? Preview. I know you're very, very busy. Hell, people crush their fitness goals, but having said that, AI doing really, if you're this, let's connect, make it easy to grasp. What do you say? Okay, it feels super personalized. Then we'll change this. Having said that, AI if this overwhelms you, let's connect. If this overwhelms you, let's connect and let me make it easy to grasp for you. Let's connect and let's connect and let me make it easy to grasp for you and the community. Join it using this link. And I say the link is https. And what is the link? It is aibum dot in slash agentic tickle dot com. No, no, no. Agentical. Okay. Why I'm doing that is, huh? Yeah, this is better. Tick hub. What should I add in front of it so that it cannot be like so easy to remember? Yeah, I can do this. Waitlist. Or I can do this. Join. Yeah, this seems better. And I can preview the message and see what it looks like. I know you're very busy helping folks crush their fitness goals, but having said that, AI automations are really important too. If this overwhelms you, let's connect and let me make it easy to grasp for you and the community. Join it using this link. Do this first, fucking. Don't try to put anxiety right now by talking about future. Be in the present. You eat no. You eat no. Who's stopping you? Join it for free using this waitlist link. Join the waitlist. Join the free waitlist. Join the free waitlist using this link. Done. Boom. And it becomes, but having said that, to just like this one. If this excites slash excites slash overwhelms or maybe overwhelms you, let's connect and let me make it easy to grasp for you and the community. Join the free waitlist using this link and save. Boom. So we have gotten him inside the fucking funnel from where we can nurture. Correct? Okay. Now, how do we get people in? So we start talking about WAP, AI automation, and how to use them together to make money. Who do we sell it to? We do it to coaches, course creators, digital product creators. How do we sell it? We say, you don't need to fight AI, you need to embrace AI. I will teach you how to do that. Once you learn how to embrace AI, you can then use it as a superpower, and you can tap into your deepest potential to become free of time limitations and earn enough money so that you can work on connection and healing and experiences and immersion in the real world and not just the virtual world. Because in the virtual world, an AI clone will take care of everything for you, starting from whatever the product needs to be, the brand, the creation of the brand, the website creation, content creation, scripting. It includes scripting based on whatever thoughts you have that are trained and fed into the RAG knowledge base. And then there is an agent that goes and works through a particular flow, basically a workflow. Now we get an agentic workflow. Within this agentic workflow, what's going to happen is you will have a replica of yourself taking care of your business aspect so that you can make the money. Using that money, you buy all of this time freedom and everything else we just spoke about. Okay, this is the goal ultimately that we want to sell. This is the dream that we want to achieve for ourselves, and we want to sell people. Now, how is this possible to achieve? The only way that is possible to achieve is that people need to believe in this dream, and they need to join this dream together on the fucking path. If they understand the importance of this and they join, they will be able to achieve the benefits. The action takers who join faster will get more benefits. Like, for example, this example of Prosp.io that we just saw. Prosp itself did not know that they can improve their prompts to this degree and this quality. But now, if they happen to see this video, they will get an idea on how to actually do that. It might be a little unconventional, but it gives much better personalized and relatable results. Okay, higher conversion rates are possible. So you saw that entire field, that entire thing that we built. Would you be able to build something like this now for a client, let's say, if they were to join? That's the question. I will run it. And now, since this is running, since it's going to get launched, we have a ticker of time. In that ticker of time, what we have to do is we have to go quickly to WAP, and we have to set up agentic hub, so that that link which we just put over here, when they click on it, it actually takes to agentic hub, and they will be able to enter. So once we set it up, then we need to put it in the redirection tool also. Once we do that, then one of our major tasks is done. People are now able to come inside. Now whatever content we are making is now okay, we can monetize upon it. In the meantime, in the night itself, I will try to upload all of these things, whatever needs to go wherever. So one task, big major task is done. One frog eaten. Next two frogs I will eat in the night. That doesn't require your presence. This thing of creating WAP and everything, we'll do it together. After that, that relevance and that thing of automation, I want you to do. Question is, can you do it now, or you want to eat in the meantime? I finish whatever I spoke about. You eat in the meantime, or what? So you eat in the meantime, and then you start doing the relevance.ai thingy, and I'll eat in that time. Okay, no? Okay. So you can keep like your video off, but you can keep speaking in between. You can keep the mic on, and you can eat peacefully. Is that you'll finish off and come back, or you'll be there? You'll be able to listen to things. Yeah, yeah. Try to listen. Okay. So now the next thing that we need to do is we need to go inside of our WAP WAP. Where is the WAP? Okay, closed all the junk and clutter, faster processing. Let's get going here. and we get to warp.com, and inside of warp.com what we see is dashboard, and inside of dashboard what we see is your warps. This is fine flow, so we'll shift to branding bump. Always need to make sure that you're in the right headquarters. Waitlist, loads of people entering the waitlist. So inside, what we see is there are already some people and more are coming. We go inside the warps, your warps, and then we see here that we have something called agentic AI, agentic. Okay, then we have agentic. Okay, we have only one. It's called agentic. So we'll just create one new warp for the time being just to block that name as well. We'll call it inside branding bump, continue, and we'll call it agent take hub, continue, and then agent take hub, continue, continue. Already is in use. Okay, so that is blocked. That's cool then. It's blocked because I created and I deleted it. Shit. But that's fine. So inside this, we will now create the agentic wala. Edit details and agentic hub for super agents. No, super agent, agentic AI. Okay, we can add a space and we can make it this way. We can call this. So this is the name. We can go back to our builder of sorts, which is here. We can go inside AI WAP, and inside of AI WAP, we can. This is the brand product name by branding bump. Okay, age range, etc., 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 etc. Okay. Okay, cool. So let's answer those questions. Let's go. So the age range is anywhere between 25 to 40, specifically around 30 to 35 to be more precise and tight. The tone is stealthy, exclusive, real, lifestyle led, with a little bit slight quirkiness and no BS wit, and then finally layered with some punch and smartness as well. So I want like a mix of everything, but then I told you the priority of how they should all occur. The vision is to create a community where we can then upsell and serve the community members with WAP setups using our agentic AI workflows to help them set up end to end, zero to one agentic workflows that can help them to do branding for their startup project, to create their digital products, everything using their AI clones, to create organic content with almost zero human intervention except for the part of monitoring, and even to the extent of communicating and engaging with the community, the replies, the Instagram chats or LinkedIn chats, etc. So, all of these tools, resources for automating to ensure that you get the right time freedom and you make the most of your efforts in terms of ROI. That's the entire goal. This is a hub, this is a community, which is a waitlist community that you can access on two alternating Saturdays only, which are odd Saturdays, or you can pay to get instant access as well. Once you enter inside, you can then unlock these other opportunities, not only to make money, but there are affiliate options. You get special drops, you get special invites for live streams by special guests, you get access to special softwares, deals, and so much more. Like, people are having conversations, they're solving each other's problems, they are talking about, brands are asking for freelancers who can actually build something. So all of this is happening inside. So we also have, like, we have three options. One is like $10 per month plan. One is like a waitlist which opens every alternating Saturday, and the third option is basically a lifetime deal for $95. Okay, is this free, one time, or subscription? As I just mentioned, I cleared it, everything else is cleared. It should be highly optimized for everything: SEO, discovery, clarity, psychology for buyers, decision making, helping, etc., etc., given from our structure as well. Remember to be as humanly as possible so that you're relatable by using natural language processing and neuro linguistic programming. Embed the right commands at the right places subtly. Automate your brand and content with AI clones now. Okay, this is what it says. We'll go with it. So I'm gonna put these both here. Okay. Then unlock stealth tools, workflows, and AI agents to launch, grow, and automate your brand from zero to one, all done from for you. Time freedom, content, communications, and cash flow. Okay, agentic category AI. Let's go. AI. Join, get access, sign up, apply. Yeah, this is very exclusive, right? So it needs to have like apply. AI automations hub. No, we are upselling. Pum, Warp Club and Warp $1 million and this maybe. And what else? Warp visibility, enable pop-up promotion. We will give them a 25% discount. And let's say save. So that's taken care of. This becomes our central point that we sell. So the name of the game is simple here. We go back to pixel.io, sorry, my bad. Create a short link. We go back to AI bump. We go and we call this the name. What had we given in Prosp? We go back here. We paste that. So this is what was here, and we then paste that. So that's done. We take this, we take BB, we take BB, we take save. Now the connections are all made. People will at least land in the right places. If there is any traffic that is incoming, agentic is ready. AI party, my god, killing it. 10,000 traffic, my god. Now that does not necessarily need to be touched for the moment, which is great. Now let's go to Prosp and see, is there a way, send a message, never send a message, always send. Okay, cool. Contact variables preview. Cool, that's enough. So this is also done. So Prosp is something that we can close the page for, and this funnel one we will look into it for sure. For now we'll close it. Then we will then we will look into where this one. We'll get back into building the page here. Call to action, get access. Okay, add logo image. So let's add logo image, edit details, upload. We will add the same logo that we generally use, which is here, which is this one. So save. And next, create pricing options. Let's make it free. One, waitlist, continue, add a question. Where did you learn about this particular WOP? LinkedIn, Insta, YT, TikTok, etc. Required. Continue. Revoke access. 1 year. Continue. So that's created. AI WAP, WAP Club, WAP $1 million, show. And in this, what happens? Edit your WAPs.